we're just having everybody sign because we're going to be filming.
Luxury rentals. I have a few Airbnbs here in the area. I'm a local to Southern California, and I am looking forward to networking with everybody here. Thank you.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Raven, aka Your Fave Rave. I'm a journalist and a producer, a TV producer with a show. Check it out at rawtv.hu on all social media platforms.
Hi, I'm Giorgio Cicatello. I'm a fashion designer, come from Rome, and I'm very honored to stay here for Girls on the Scene.
What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Rashard, aka Rara Santino. I am a makeup artist from Detroit.